Hello guys, today I'm going to show you some reviews of this fan. Alright, let's get on this chair. You can see the blade arms right there. Pull chain right there. There's the top of it. Yes, I gotta stand on the table, just like I did with my V-Tech tow truck that I filmed a few years ago. I'm left-handed though. You can probably see the date up there. I'm filming. And there's the vents on the bottom. And you can see the reverse switch right there. And this is the switch housing of the fan. You can see the Sundu logo right there. I like these blade arms a lot. And the blades. It might be dirty up there. I'll check later. And there is the screw right there. Alright, I think that's it for the parts of this fan. Oh, there's the down rod and the canopy up there. Alright, I think that's pretty much it. Bye.